Place your hand over your chest. Inhale, feel your heartbeat. Exhale, let go of all the shoulds. You are doing your best, and that is enough. I am enough even in the stillness. Give yourself the grace you give others.